If you want to know how much an item actually sells for on eBay, checking sold prices is the best way to understand its real market value. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find sold prices on eBay step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to research prices and make better buying or selling decisions. First, open the eBay website or app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar and type the name of the item you're interested in. Press search to view the results. Now, this is the important step. On the search results page, look for the filter options. If you're on desktop, you'll find filters on the left-hand side. If you're using mobile, tap on the filter icon to open the options. Scroll through the filters until you find the option called Sold Items. Turn this on. You can also enable completed items to see listings that ended without selling, but sold items shows only successful sales. Once you apply the filter, the results will update to show items that have already been sold. You'll notice that sold listings are usually marked in green with the final price displayed. Take some time to compare similar items based on condition, brand, and features. This helps you understand the price range and identify an average selling price. You can also sort the results by date to see the most recent sales or by price to understand the highest and lowest values. This is especially useful if you're planning to list your own item and want to price it competitively. In this tutorial, we learned how to find sold prices on eBay by searching for an item, applying the sold items filter, and analyzing the results. This simple method helps you determine accurate market value and make smarter decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.